First-time home buyers often have a range of concerns when navigating the housing market. Based on available data and studies, the two primary concerns are, number one, affordability, which is usually the primary concern. Affordability not only involves the price of the home, they think about their ability to get the mortgage with low rates. They think about the down payment required and about the ongoing costs such as property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance expenses. Number two would be location, and you've heard it before. Location, location, location. This is especially true for first-time home buyers. Factors such as safety, quality of schools, proximity to work, public transportation options, and community amenities are critically important. The location often impacts the property's value over time, making this a significant consideration. So understanding these concerns can help first-time home buyers make more informed decisions and navigate the challenges of purchasing their first-time home effectively. Do you agree? Let me know what you think.